sometimes, for different reasons, people can be very stiff on the posterior chain, and this instability happen. So it is better to embrace it, to do a proper squat, than try to force situation that your knee travel too much. So this is not the ideal example. It will be something solid, but you get the idea. You literally step on the thing. So now you have more stability. I mean, this is a rebounding surface, but when it's solid, you will notice the difference, and you will notice that you can do your regular squat easier. As a full squat, not everybody can do it. Do just half of that. There we go. Maybe a little bit nowhere to parallel. Those are the example, and you feel more supported.